Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford. I'm here to share in this video the digital marketing training platform that I'm leveraging that's helping me to get the digital education knowledge I need to help me bring my own course to the marketplace in the industry of income tax preparation and training. Been doing that for the last 18 years, the last 12 as a business owner. And so I always had an idea of what I wanted to bring to the marketplace, but I didn't have someone who could walk me through that process of what that'll look like and how that'll happen and what that'll be like. And so with me coming online in 2014, I initially thought I was coming to get time freedom back in my life. What I realized in 2018 was connecting with the mentoring coach I have now, I have more focus and more clarity and more understanding on where I'm headed based on the information and training I'm getting from her that I had to invest in to allow me to get to where I'm trying to go inside my business, and basically using the internet to leverage it to the point where I can get massive awareness and exposure to what I already do in the marketplace when it comes to income tax preparation, and also my coaching program for people who want to make a career in the income tax preparation industry. So that's my primary purpose for coming online in the first place, is to truly learn how to bring my own skill sets and my knowledge to the marketplace, leveraging the internet, but just to know how to get that done. And so connecting with my girl Steph and hanging out with her for the last few years, and with her investing in herself on a regular and ongoing basis, she's basically taking what she's learning and giving it to her tribe and her followers and the people that's doing business with her, and allowing them to learn what she's learning. And so I'm doing the same thing in my local market, as I'm taking the knowledge that I'm learning and then connecting with people who want to learn what I'm learning and who want to go where I'm going, but maybe in different directions, but headed the same way. So for instance, I'm in the industry of income tax preparation. This digital marketing training and education is going to allow me to bring my own course to the internet and leverage it in such a way that's going to allow me to get targeted ideal clients for what I already do. That's going to allow me to take my business to the next level and shift me from doing income taxes to mainly teaching and coaching people who want to make a career in the income tax preparation industry. Is my big picture and my big goal for me overall. And so the digital marketing training platform that I'm leveraging is called Digital Profits U, and she has courses in here that allows me to learn, implement, and invest in and put inside my business on a daily basis. That's going to allow me to get the exposure I need, allow me to build my lists, allow me to build my audience, allow me to build my brand and awareness and authority, and to build know, like, and trust in the marketplace through my message. That's going to allow people to connect with me and who want to go where I'm going. It's the purpose of the message. You know what I'm saying? So the more clear and more defined your message is, and you know who your ideal client is, and you target that message for that person who understands, like I understood, that I come to the internet looking to leverage it in order to build out my own coaching business for myself by investing in digital marketing and education and training. That's going to allow me to do so. And my message will attract people who looking to do the same or similar things in their online journey when it comes to building out a long-term, profitable, sustainable business for themselves. It's having a foundation rooted in digital marketing and education and training, which is the catalyst that's going to allow me to successfully promote my income tax preparation service and coaching program to the world via the internet. Is the big picture goal, and to impact lives of other people who want to go somewhere but don't know how to get there, but who has enough integrity to look themselves in the mirror and say, hey, I'm trying to go somewhere. I'm trying to better my life for me and my family, and I'm raising my hand for help. And I understand I got to invest in me in order to get to where I want to go, because without investing in me, I'll never get there. And they connect with someone through their message to what they stand for and what they're about and where they're headed is the strategy behind my message to the marketplace. And so that's the type of knowledge and education that I'm getting from the Digital Profits U platform and through my mentor and coach, Steph, that's allowed me to take this information, consume it, implement it, and put it together in such a way that's going to allow me to get the type of results I want to get in my life by helping people to get the type of results they want to get in their lives. So it's all about bringing value and helping change the lives of others and impacting the lives of others to help them to get to a place in their lives, no matter where it is, that's going to help them improve their life and lifestyle for them and their families. Is the overall big picture goal. And so if you understand, like I understand, that you're on the internet, you might be in search mode, you might be in research mode, and you're looking to bring whatever you do already to the marketplace by leveraging the internet, and you don't know how to get it done, you don't know what steps to take, and you need coaching and mentorship and guidance and support and accountability that's going to allow you to get there. Then if you identify with my message, if you like where I'm headed, you like where I'm going, my description area, I have contact information. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, so every time I do an upload or live, you get notified. I have a free giveaway going on with the 100-day run me and my mentor and her tribe and her prospects are doing. That's going to help us get more exposure and awareness to the marketplace about who we are, where we're headed, and what's in it for people who decide to connect and identify with us through our message. Is the big picture strategy. And so the free giveaway is associated with the purchase of the YouTube Marketing Goldmine course that she offers inside of her digital marketing platform. Inside the description, I have a link that you can click on that's going to take you there. That's going to allow you to create a free account. And if you purchase the YouTube Marketing Goldmine course, you'll get free details that's going to take you to a page that's going to lay out what you get in my free giveaway as a result of purchasing the Digital Marketing Goldmine course. That's going to allow you to learn how to leverage YouTube. That's the most second powerful search engine in the world, and it's free, and it's owned by Google. And the power of that in itself is awesome. You know what I'm saying? The most powerful medium that you can use to build your brand, build your awareness, build your list, build your audience, build no like and trust, is video. Because you get to see me, you get to hear me, you get to judge for yourself in my video presentation if I'm real or not, if I'm fake or not, if I'm sincere or not, if I'm just talking out the side of my head or not. Even if I'm shooting videos where I'm just showing you a screen capture of some content, but you hear my voice, you still get to judge and identify for yourself the realness of that, the authenticity of that. And so you get to judge for yourself over time about me and who I am. And if you identify my message, and you eventually really take action, I love to have you part of my team, because the digital marketing training and education platform that I'm leveraging, that's going to allow me to impact the lives of other people and to help them to get to where they're trying to go, because that's the big picture goal for me, is to help people change their lives for the better in whatever areas they want to get it done in, but leveraging the business aspect of that to allow them to change their overall lifestyle through their finances is the mission that I'm on. And on top of that, I'm on the road to financial freedom, because what I understand and what I identified with through the mentorship and coaching and clarity that I've gotten inside my business through my coach is that I realized in 2018 that I'm here for financial freedom. Time freedom I always had because I worked for myself for multiple years, but financial freedom was just missing piece for me. It was never really consistent. So I'm here to get financial freedom to go with the time freedom I already possess. And that's by helping other people to change their lives and impact their lives in a positive way through whatever business model they want to indulge in and get started in. I'm here to assist you and help you to get that done. And so that's what this video is all about, is just allowing you to understand and get an idea of who I am and where I'm headed and where I'm going, and how I can help you to get to where you're trying to go, especially if you're new to this industry, especially if you're new to the online arena, especially if you're new to trying to really figure out how to earn money online opposed to making money online. You have to have some skill sets. You have to have some knowledge and some education and some training already in you that you can pull from, that's going to allow you to be successful in this online journey. Too many marketers make it seem so stupid simple that you can come online and make money when it really not. You know what I'm saying? But that's the message that they throw your way, because they know you're vulnerable. They know you don't know anything. They know that they're playing against your emotions and your lack of income and your lack of understanding on what the marketplace is really all about and how to truly leverage the internet to be successful in business. They plan on all those things. And so when you come online and you connect with the right person who has your best interests at heart, it's going to allow you to invest in the proper and effective digital marketing training that you can utilize, learn from, and implement on a daily basis inside your business. Then you get to clearly see that a certain type of marketers, their message you clearly want to stay away from because it doesn't line up with what you're learning and what you're going through in your journey to build out your online business that you may already have in mind for yourself. So again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the bell for notification. Inside the description area, I got the link that's going to take you to my free giveaway detail based on the purchase of the Digital Gold Mine course. The top link will take you to the Digital Profits U platform where you can create a free account and check out the site for yourself. And you can reach back out to me through my contact information for me to answer any questions or concerns you may have about the products that's inside of this digital marketing course and what it's going to take for you to be successful in your online journey that you come online looking to do for you and your family. And I'll see you in the next video.